Guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back at the cabin, man. We've actually been working on this cabin quite a bit. Haven't done an updated cabin video in a while. I think the last one I did, we were talking about the deck right there. We got that done a long time ago. It has been raining a lot, so we did miss some days out here. But we're back and wanted to give you guys an update as to what all we've been doing. So glad you're here. Let's get right into it. All right, guys, so we did get the roof on the cabin. Been working on the roof for the porch. We're almost done. If you look right here behind me, right here in this corner, we got to finish the metal there, but we have finished it here and we have finished it here. So did pick up some metal the other day, brought it down. We're going to try to get that worked on today if we have time. We've also been putting the T111 siding on. We got a few pieces up yesterday, which is right here. The electrician has to come back and install a box right here. So we got that put on for him. The other thing we got to do, we got the HVAC guy coming out here, and we do have to pour a concrete slab for his outdoor unit, which, let me flip this camera around, which is going to go about right here in the center of the house. So we do have to pour a 40 by 40 inch pad right there. We got to get that framed out and everything for him. And he's ready to come out and start the rough in and all that kind of stuff, running the duct work and everything like that. So things are popping off, man. We were so glad to get this roof done. My buddy Justin came up and helped us out for 3 or 4 days. We got all the roof put on, and it was friggin' awesome, man. We had a whole bunch of rain. It rained for like 4 days straight. We did go and inspect the roof yesterday whenever we got here, check for any kind of leaks and stuff like that, and we couldn't find any, so that's good. But yeah, we picked up soffit material. We picked up siding material. We got some other boards for doing like a drip edge and stuff like that. So we're just gonna start working on all that. I think we're gonna put up some siding first, and we'll see what we get done today. Glad you guys are here, man. Don't go anywhere because we're just now getting started, and we're gonna see what we can get done. All right, guys, got the whole front of the house done except for that one corner piece right there on the other side of the door. We're gonna start working on the other side of the house, start working our way around, and we'll see how far we get. Okay, so we got the first 2x on. That's the board that's gonna be sitting right underneath the drip edge piece that we cut out of the old barn wood. We're gonna be using a lot of the barn wood from the Sweet 16 that we got from tearing down that 80-year-old barn. We're going pretty rustic on this cabin, and it's gonna look really cool. Anyways, we gotta move that board. Wow, where's my finger? We gotta move that board right there. And now that we kind of know what we're doing, I think I'm gonna pop up the 2 boards on that step, and I might have to make those longer. I'm not quite sure, but we're gonna pop them up, get them out of the way, get the drip edge piece on there, get it ready for the siding, and then we'll put back what we need. And if I got to cut a couple boards a little bit longer, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna set this camera down and get back to work. All right, guys, next day. Yesterday, whenever we were filming, I realized my phone was on like 3% or whatever, so I just ended up turning it off. But we'll go over there and recap where we were. Rob's getting some stuff unloaded right now out of the Connex, and we'll take a little walk over here and kind of show you where we left off. We're just getting that bottom board on, that 2x6 with the drip edge piece on top of that. That is beveled on like a 12-degree angle just to kind of give a little bit of runoff. And then our T111 siding, which you see right there behind me, it'll sit right on top of that drip edge. And then we'll have real good water flow coming off of the house and everything. So let me get this camera turned around. I'll show you kind of where we left off. All right, we ended up pulling these stair treads off right here, and just to kind of get into here. But this is the drip edge piece. It's beveled. That's out of the barn wood I brought over. And so basically siding's going to come down, and then it just sits right there, and then the water wicks off. And there's another board up underneath it, you can see right there, and that's where our metal will mount to. We got the same kind of metal that we put on the roof that we'll be putting down here on the underpinning of the house. So that's going to match and look super good. We got the drip edge right here on the corner. Boom, you can see it right there. And then we started going down this side of the house right here. And we made it down about 10 or 11 feet. So we are gonna get another 2x6, get it leveled up, get it screwed all the way down to where the scuttle hole is. I'll take you guys over there and show you that. But we're gonna make it down that far today. Then we're gonna jump right here and pick up where we left off over by that door and make our way around the corner and all the way down almost to the end. I had mentioned we still got to do a little bit of roofing over the deck porch right in the corner. We still haven't done that yet, but we'll see how far we get today. I'm assuming we're probably just going to get all that siding done, and that'll be it. If we do have time, we might throw up some more pieces of metal right in that corner right there is the only part that we're missing, and that'll do it. So anyways, next day, different shirt, same hat. I could yak all day, but it's time to get to work. Boom. need some more nails for the nailer. Alright, yeah, put it right there and I'll nail that real quick. Alright guys, all I have left is a little 2-inch piece right, boom, right there. So we are putting corner trim on. And the corner trim is going to cover up that little 2-inch piece, but I need to throw it on so everything's on the same plane and my trim will sit level and everything like that. So I got some scrap pieces. I'm going to go ahead and cut a few of those, just get those nailed on. And then we're going to load up. That's going to do it for us today. When we get back tomorrow, we'll be starting right here on the west side of the house. And we already got all the drip edge done. It's just full sheets all the way to the underneath side of the soffit board right there. We won't have to cut any of those. All we'll have to do is cut around 2 windows. And right down there in the middle, like right there, is the outlet box. Other than that, super easy. Should be able to knock this backside out first thing tomorrow. Then we'll be wrapping around the other side. And we can get all this T111 siding put up. And then after that, all we're going to have to do is like trim the windows, trim the corners, and then we're going to have to do the siding for the gable. Boom, do all that. So anyways, it's coming along. We almost got the whole outside done, and then we'll be able to move forward on the inside, and we can start insulating, get the sheetrock hung, all that kind of stuff. So electricians pretty much already got all their rough end done. They're kind of out of our way. You know, we got freedom as soon as we get all this siding put on to get that insulation thrown in and stuff like that. So we're about good to go. Really appreciate y'all being here for the what's going on with the cabin recap. Thanks for coming back and checking it out, man. I'll make another video when we get a little bit more done. I want to get all that done. Whoa, right there on that corner. I got to finish that metal. Just like some triangle pieces and stuff like that. Rob, thanks again, brother. Boom. That's going to do it, guys. Thanks a lot for being here. Do me a great, big, huge favor. If you're not subscribed, man, what are you waiting on? Go hit that subscribe button. Give us a great, big, huge thumbs up like if you liked any part of this video. And if you got anything to say, just drop it right there in the comments. That's all you got to do, guys. Thanks a lot for being here, and we'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace. Man, I haven't said that in a while.